Today we talk about how can you enable top photo on your Hinge app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on photo profile down here. When you just click on photo profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on complete profile to become a member. Just click on it here. You come here to top photo and you click in this sign, like, and you click here on okay, great here. So then here it's going to show for you here when you add your photos here. I have only one, but if you have a lot, can you, it's going to enable with you. Sorry, so it's going to enable with you here when you have four photos or three or two. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.